My name is Sayuja Imbravodkar. Today I have discussed about the sources of adverse event report. The adverse event reports are the crucial for monitoring the safety of medical products, including the drugs and medical devices. First one is the healthcare professional, in which the drug and nurses they reports event based on their clinical observation and the experience with the patients. Then the pharmacists often they report adverse drug reaction they observe during the medication dispensing or patient consultation. Then the patient and the caregivers, in which the direct reporting, patient can report their experience directly to regulatory agencies or the manufacturers. Then the survey and the registries, they are survey or patient registries may encourage the patients to report the side effects. Pharmaceuticals and device companies mandatory reporting. Companies are required to report any adverse event associated with their products to the regulatory authority, in which the post-marketing surveillance, ongoing monitoring through studies, and the real-world data collection. Then the regulatory authority, in which the spontaneous reporting system, agencies like the FDA, USA, or EMA collect the reports from various sources, including the healthcare providers and patients. Then the database searches, regular analysis of existing data for new safety signals. Then the academic and research institutions, in which the clinical trials, adverse event observed during clinical trials are reported in the trial data and the publication studies and the research investigation. um, Investigators may conduct the studies to assess the safety and the report finding. Then the pharmacovigilance programs and the national systems. Many countries have the national pharmacovigilance systems that collect the adverse event reports from the multiple sources. International databases, uh, organization like the World Health Organization collect the data globally to monitor the drug safety. Then the media reports, news articles, and the reports. Sometimes adverse events are highlighted in the media, uh, uh, promote promoting the further investigation and the reporting. And the adverse event reports, the collection and analysis of adverse event reports from these diverse sources are are essential for identifying the safety concerns, guideline uh, guiding the regulatory decisions, uh, and the enhancing the public health messages. Um, Effective communications and the collaboration among all the stakeholders helps the improve the safety profile of medical products. Sometimes adverse events are highlighted in the media, promoting the further investigating and the reporting. These are the sources of adverse event report. Thank you.